Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, I'm appreciating you. New viewers, you guys should subscribe so that you can get some awesome recipes like the one we're making tonight, which is continuing on the drink recipe side. We're going to make a remix of the Moscow Mules. This time we're doing a Cranberry Mule. So let's get started. Just like in our Moscow Mules, I've got my vodka. I've got my copper cup. Again, if you don't have that, use a highball and rocks. So vodka in. This time I'm using cranberry juice instead of the lime. And instead of doing the crushed ice, I've got some frozen cranberries. I'm gonna put a bunch in there. And then we'll just top her off with ginger beer. This is a nice holiday remix. And if you have some fresh mint, you can throw that on there for a garnish, but I think just having cranberries there looks cool enough. So that's 2 ounces vodka, 2 ounces cranberry juice, 4 ounces of the ginger beer, or to the top of the glass. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Ring the bell when you subscribe so you get those alerts. And as always, check back for the next video. Take care.